Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In our previous tutorial, we had done the ground floor plan of a G+1 house. We had drawn this ground floor plan out of this simple line plan. Today we are going to provide this staircase block, the door shutters, windows, ventilators. So let's start with this tutorial. Now first we'll provide the staircase block. Now to provide a staircase block, first you will have to calculate the number of steps to be provided in this staircase. So we'll see how to calculate this number of steps. Now in this figure you can see here, this is a plinth level and this is a slab top level. Now the distance between this plinth level and slab top level is called floor height. Now here our floor height is 300 mm, that is 3 meter. So to calculate the total number of steps, first we'll calculate the total number of riser. For that, we'll take the floor height and divide it by the height of a single riser. Now height of a single riser will take 150 mm. So here we'll divide this 3000 mm, that is our floor height, divide by height of the riser, that is 150 mm. So total we'll get 20 numbers. So here total number of risers will be 20 numbers. And now if you want to calculate the number of steps, the total number of steps in your staircase, then you will have to minus 1 from the total number of riser. That is, to calculate the number of steps, you take total number of risers, that is 20 minus 1. So it will be 19. Your total number of steps will be 19 numbers. Now according to your staircase shape, you will have to divide this number of steps into your flights. So let's see how to divide this. Now here in this plan, your staircase will be C-shaped staircase. So you'll have to divide this 19 number of steps in these 3 flights. So here we'll take line command and draw a line here. Here I have taken the RCC layer. Now first I'll measure the distance of this wall. This is 2100. Now our length of the thread is 300 mm. So we'll divide this 2100 divided by 300. So we'll get 7 numbers. So total number of steps we'll provide in this flight will be 7 numbers. So I'll take offset command. Distance will take 300 and we'll offset this. Now here you will see the total number of steps in this flight is 7 numbers and total number of risers in this flight is 8 numbers. So our total number of risers to be provided in a whole staircase is 20 numbers. So 20 minus 8 is 12. Now remaining 12 risers will have to equally divide in these 2 flights. So 12 numbers divided by 2 will be 6 numbers. So we'll have to provide 6 in this flight and 6 risers in this flight. So we'll take line command. We'll draw a line here. Now give offset 300 distance and offset this. Now if I take this 6th riser here, then it will come outside this wall. So we don't want any step outside this wall. We want to end our staircase at this wall. So what we'll do, one step or one riser we'll take at this landing by providing a winder. So we'll take a line command and draw a line here. So we'll provide a winder here. Now we'll mirror this. Now here you can count the number of risers. There are 20 number of risers and 19 number of steps in this whole staircase. Now here we'll show the direction. First we'll change the layer. For that we'll take multi-leader and we'll show arrow here. And here we'll write up. We'll increase the height of this. This will show the upward direction. Now next we'll provide the door shutters for these rooms. Now I have already explained this in my previous tutorial, but I will explain you again here. To draw the door shutters, we'll draw it here. Here first we'll change the layer to door. We'll take line command. We'll start from here. We'll draw the frame first, the cross section of the door frame. For that we'll take line command and we'll take measurement as 50, then 50, then this is 25, this is 50, this is 75, and we'll close this. So enter. Now next we'll take H command. We'll take solid H and hedge this. Now our door length, now our door opening is 900. A bedroom door opening is 900. You can see here this dimension of the bedroom door is 900 by 2000 mm. So here I'll take a line command and draw a line of 900. I've drawn this from this point. Now I'll mirror this. So this is our door frame. Now we'll draw the shutter. For that we'll take rectangle command. We'll take dimension. Dimensions will give 25 by 800. So enter. Now click here. Now 800 I have taken because the distance from this point to this point is 800. Now take circle command. I have taken center radius method. Specify this as a center point and this is a radius. Now trim this, trim the extra lines and trim this line also. Now this one you can change it to hidden line. Now this is our door shutter. Now next you'll have to convert this into a block. Now if you don't know how to convert into a block, you can please refer to my previous video on creating a block wherein I have explained this in detail, and the link of the video I have given in this description box. So please refer to that. Now for this drawing I have already created some blocks. I have created this block for main door, this bedroom door, toilet door, windows and collapsible doors. So I am going to use this. Now here there is a bedroom. So I'll take the bedroom door, that is D1. Yeah, I'll take this, I'll copy this. Here I'll click on this midpoint and paste it here. Say enter. Now again there is a bedroom here. So I'll take this, take copy command, select this, click on this point and click on this point. Now I'll mirror this because I want this opening in inner side. Enter, select this point and here erase the source object. Yes. So these are your bedroom doors. Next I'll provide this toilet doors. Copy this, Now here I'll have to rotate this. I'll click it here, take rotate command and rotate this at 90 degree. Now take move command, select this point and copy it here. Again I'll take copy of this, take this midpoint and copy it here. So enter. Now this is our toilet doors. Next is washing area. Here we'll provide this toilet doors only. So we'll copy this. Take rotate command. Now move this. Place it here. Now here we'll provide a collapsible door. Copy this. Paste it here. Now here there is an office room. For that we'll provide the door provided for bedroom. So we'll copy this. Rotate it. And move this. We'll have to make this shutter this side, so I'll mirror this. And move this at this point. Now next I'll place this main door. Copy this main door and paste it here. Replacement of door shutters is done. I'll do the naming. I'll copy this. This is D. This is a D1. This is D1 and this is also D1. Next is toilet doors. This is a collapsible gate. So we have placed these doors and done with the naming. Next we'll provide the windows for these rooms. So we'll copy this window. We'll take this first. Now here I'll take this midpoint as a reference point. And we'll copy it here. I'll provide it here at this wall, then at this wall, then I'll copy it here and rotate it because I want it vertically. Now copy this, I'll copy here, then I'll provide it here for this bedroom. Again I'll copy this, select midpoint at this side, and I'll copy it here in kitchen and in dining area, and also to this office room. Again I'll copy this and copy it to this wall and this wall. Say enter. So this is our windows. We'll do the naming. This is W, so we'll copy this, we'll copy it here, here to the every windows that we have provided. So we are done with our windows. Now next we'll provide ventilators for these toilets. So we'll copy this ventilator, we'll rotate this, and copy this, copy at this point and at this point. Delete this. Now do the naming. Enter. Now last we have to provide the window for this staircase. So this is a staircase window that is 600 by 1500. So here there is a staircase window I have done. We'll copy this, take the midpoint and copy it at the staircase block. Say enter, copy the naming. Say enter. So this is how we provide the staircase block, then the door shutters, windows, ventilators to the plane. So hope you all have understood how to provide it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the floor plans. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.